Narratives. Narratives is going to be I don't know how many episode podcast, but it's going to be a Hindi English podcast where I try to talk to the people in my life who I think are interesting creatures. So if you're invited to this podcast, it means you're an interesting creature in my life. Or we can call this video the best friend tag. जैसे लोग husband tag करते हैं या best friend tag करते हैं.
Right.
तो I'll call this the best friend tag, तो लोगों की थोड़ी जलेगी भी. तो okay.
Intention तो हो
So for all those people who are here for the first time, Narratives is going to be a podcast which is about me discussing various narratives with the person who I've invited on the podcast. For example, if I've called someone who is belonging to a particular field, I'm going to talk about that particular field. If it is someone who's very close to my heart, I'm generally just going to chit chat with them about the various narratives we've shared over time and what our point of view is on them. So I think this one is going to be a little light-hearted and is going to set the tone for the number of series of whatever podcasts to be coming. Before we get into the actual podcast, I'll introduce Afsha. Afsha was my colleague and is my best friend. We used to work together at PhonePe. और वहां से आई थिंक मुझे नहीं आई हैड गिवन अप ऑन एडल्ट फ्रेंडशिप्स एट वन पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ और मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि आफ्टर अ सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ इयर्स इन योर लाइफ यू डोंट मीट एनीवन न्यू एंड यू डोंट मेक फ्रेंड्स बट आई मेड अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड अगेन मैं जला
Clearly you
रही हूँ
were
लोगों
wrong.
को ऐसे करके आई
Clearly
मेड
you were wrong for once.
हाँ यस तो आई थिंक काफी कुछ सीखने को मिला है मुझे अक्षा से और अक्षा को मुझसे तो अक्षा वुड यू लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ
मैं अर्शिन की बेस्ट फ्रेंड हूँ. अर्शिन मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड. उसके अलावा मैं बहुत ही अंडर क्वालिफाइड फील कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्पेशल फॉर श्योर.
Okay.
आई पायनियर कर रहे हैं हम इस पॉडकास्ट की में एक तरह से. एंड आई थिंक I'm studying psychology, so maybe that is why Arshin thinks I'm a student of psychology is what I would like to say. So hopefully the next time I'm on this podcast मैं खुद को ऐसे मानूंगी कि हाँ अभी मैं माइक ले सकती हूँ अपने लिए.
Okay, so I think I'd like to say something maybe which I've not said directly to you also ever, but like I feel like even though you underplay yourself a lot, the depth of knowledge and the intellect that you hold is far more mature than other people that I've met in my life. क्योंकि मतलब even though people are like I would say academically achieving well in life and at certain positions in a doctor field, engineering field or whatever field, but दिमाग नहीं होता लोगों में basically. तो जब तुम लोगों से बात करते हो तो तुम्हें पता चलता है कि at the core what are their values and beliefs और अफशा कुछ उन लोगों में से है जिनमें clarity है कि what she knows. I think I call myself a self-aware person. Afsha is also on the same level. She knows what she wants and likes. And she has done that amount of work.
I would say I'm self-aware because I think जो तुम बोल रही हो ना दिमाग नहीं होता. I think लोग उतना टाइम नहीं लगाते चीजों के बारे में सोचने में जितना you and me which is why I think we connect also very well because we think very deeply. And you तो I feel you're a very observant person, which is why first place I was like इसकी तो friend बनना है मेरे को. इसकी तो दोस्त बनना है मेरे को.
So my first question is actually related to this only. So you said कि both you and me think a lot. I've encountered many people and many situations in my life where people have told me इतना overthink मत करो यार ऐसा ये अच्छा नहीं होता. What do you think about this statement? Do you think overthinking is a boon or a bane? And what is your take on it?
मतलब I think I've realized that you should know when to stop. That is very important कि आप but I wouldn't say overthinking मतलब is a bane exactly because हाँ मतलब बहुत सारी लोग मुझे लगता है I don't know. I think it is not. I think in short, I don't think it is a bane for sure. Like I said, you should just know where to draw the line, when to stop thinking about a certain thing. कि ठीक है ये मैंने this is established now in my head. I know these are the facts. Distinguish करना बहुत जरूरी है. So I feel like this is something that I learned from a therapist when I
Hmm.
was I think मैंने 3-4 sessions लिए, which I don't know if I've talked about with you. So
हाँ.
she told me this, कि start questioning your thoughts. कि if you're getting an idea, ask what is the basis of that, and if it is coming
Yeah.
from a place of reason. So if there is
Yeah.
a reason, तुम उसको justify कर सकते हो कि ये thought जो आ रहा है ये सही है. So that is where I think now I draw the line, कि whether I'm able to, whether this is a thought which is rational or not.
एंड आई थिंक मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ओवर थिंकिंग एक्चुअली इज अ पाथवे टू एम्पथी ऑल्सो. अगर तुम ओवर थिंक नहीं करोगे तो तुम थिंक नहीं करोगे बेसिकली. एंड एक कोट है ना, आई थिंक देयरफॉर आई एम. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ओवर
वो तो
थिंकिंग
almost
इज या ओवर थिंकिंग इज एक्चुअली blown out of proportion too much and has a very bad reputation. But thinking deeply about things is actually the sign of an empathetic person, and empathy then gives way to kindness, because you put yourself in the other person's shoes and you know why they are behaving a certain way. But this is a double-edged sword, because you sometimes reason too much on behalf of people, and even if they yeah, even if they fuck you up, you start justifying that and saying, अरे इनके पास्ट में ये ट्रॉमा रहा होगा, इनके चाइल्डहुड में ये ट्रॉमा रहा होगा, इसलिए इन्होंने ऐसा किया होगा. Afsha is like, oh my
stop
god.
attack.
Yes.
This is feeling like attack धीरे धीरे बढ़ता
नहीं,
जा
दोनों
रहा
के
है.
लाइफ में होगा ये. आई थिंक दोनों के लाइफ में होगा. जो भी गलत होता है हमारे साथ, हम उसको भी जस्टिफाई करना शुरू कर देते हैं.
हाँ कि अरे this
हाँ.
person यार maybe they had a bad day, maybe
हाँ.
you know आज सुबह ऐसा हो गया होगा, maybe this is
हाँ.
because of the trauma like you said. So
Yeah.
yeah, we start justifying it for them, which is extremely wrong. Yeah, realizing.
So today, I think in my podcast, I have 4-5 themes that I would want to touch with you. I think these are things that I've already talked about at length in our polos. And I will just try to. Sorry?
I said our exclusive app.
As our exclusive app called Marco Polo. But I think I'll just put them in a more clear way, and then I'll try to understand what is your point of view on them. So I'll start with something that you just said, that you took 3 therapy sessions. I took 2, I think, in my life. I'd like to understand from you, has therapy worked out for you? When should we seek therapy? Is there a right time for therapy? And I'm actually asking someone who studies psychology so deeply. So I'm straight going into the horse's mouth, I think. तो बताओ, what do you think about it?
हाँ मतलब I would never discourage anybody from taking therapy. तो लगता नहीं है कि if you have to reach a breaking point for you to be able to say कि यार now I want to talk to somebody. If you feel कि there is you know, so like I said, when जैसे I've told you this when we talk on polos, that when you hear your own thoughts, right, even if you're not talking to somebody, even maybe if you're just writing your own thoughts, even if you're journaling it down and you're hearing yourself, and point तक भी अगर तुमको लग रहा है that you're not able to resolve what you know the chaos in your mind, कि तुमने अभी किसी से बात कर ली, you explained it, you have written it down, you have done that kind of basic work, मैं बोलूंगी जो एक basic, I think anybody who has sought therapy, I think would say that journaling is very basic, right? You visualize what you're thinking so that you can organize it better. Okay, where is it coming from and all of that. So I all of that तुमने वो कर लिया है जो basics है, और उसके बाद भी you think कि यार ये अभी भी it is coming back, it keeps coming back, I'm still thinking of it. So then there is something that has to be addressed, and of course there are methods, there is cognitive behavioral therapy, there is अभी जो मैं सीख ही रही हूँ, I would again not qualified enough, but I think yeah, I definitely feel then there is a need. If you feel there is a need, then there is a need. और हाँ, I don't think, like I said, necessarily कि उस point तक पहुंचने की जरूरत है. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि I think basic चीजें, मतलब there is a lot that is unresolved within you that comes to surface during therapy, because you realize it hits you, right?
Yeah.
This is why like you are able to see a pattern in your behavior. So I think a pattern, what therapists basically do is they they don't say it. ये तुमको
Yeah,
खुद
yeah,
you have that eureka moment in therapy कि यार
yeah.
ये ये कैसे how did this person reach here जो कि पता ही मतलब you know. So yeah,
I think
that
without taking names, I would say that my therapy experience is a mixed bag of emotions. I wouldn't say it was the best and I wouldn't say it was the worst. I think why it did not work out for me was because I had done the work. So as you said, therapist kya karta hai? They make you traverse that journey of untangling the knots in your head, and they let you reach a place where you find a glaring revelation. Oh, I behave like this because of this. I did this because of this, and that person did that because of this. I think I had personally done all of that, and I am a very impatient person. So I was not ready to do that again in front of someone. And I think it's very important the kind of therapist also you get. It's not the
for
fault
sure.
of the therapist, it's not your fault, but sometimes it clicks, sometimes it doesn't. And but personally, I would say that for people who haven't yet clicked with a therapist, various things work for me. And the one thing that I would like to say is that there is no right time for therapy. If you feel that you're stuck, that's also a very good beginning point to go into therapy. And therapy it does not only mean paying like an X amount of money to a person to talk. Therapy can mean everyday therapy where you write down your thoughts on a journal, you do activities for yourself. Basically, you just slow your daily processes. You stop your mind to focus on what is present right now and in the moment. And I think Afsha is doing that exercise beautifully these days, because I personally did not ever have the luxury of stopping, and that's why I'm such an impatient person. But doing mandalas, doing adult coloring books, reading books, doing pottery, आजकल बहुत लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, ये सबसे क्या होता है
It
कि you
has a
stop.
even baking helps, right? Because
Yeah,
there's a certain repetition over there.
yeah,
Chopping also sometimes तो
yeah,
मैंने in fact heard a lot of people say this. And even
yeah,
chopping vegetables, like the repetition
yes,
is what calms you and like grounds you and brings you back into your body. For
yes,
somebody who's like anxious all the time. And I think rightly said when said कि people say कि यार it's not, this therapist is not working, मैंने कर लिया. I without taking names again, somebody who I'm not friends with anymore for reasons that I think I've discussed with you. That person told me this कि यार तुमसे बात करके मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, थेरेपिस्ट से बात करके कोई कुछ नहीं लगता. And I was like, free
नहीं, हम
therapy
नौकरी
session
नहीं ले
कब
रहे
तक
उन
दे
लोगों की,
पाऊंगी.
बट मतलब एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स अ ह्यूमन एंडेवर. कोई इंसान एज अ थेरेपिस्ट तुम्हें क्लिक कर गया, कोई इंसान एज अ थेरेपिस्ट तुम्हें नहीं क्लिक किया. इट्स नॉट अबाउट देयर क्वालिफिकेशंस, आई थिंक, बट जस्ट दैट
Yeah.
समवन बेटर helps you untangle that knot in your head rather than others.
So,
And as
so you need to find the right therapist because some people like to be softly dealt with. कि
yeah,
तुमको मैं प्यार से बोलूं कि भाई देखो ये तुमने गलत किया है यहाँ पे,
yeah,
when for example you are seeking therapy for a relationship
yeah,
problem that you have. So
yeah,
there are some people prefer कि मुझे कोई प्यार से समझाए, and there are some people कि मुझे तो मुंह पे बोल दो कि भाई call
yeah,
me out here. I
yeah,
can't do with soft people. मुझे नहीं
yeah,
सुनना है ये बकवास. Get to
yeah.
the point, just tell me straight, call me out. So that you have to find what works for you. So that is something for sure कि आपको you may have to switch between
Yeah.
therapists to find.
ओके, सो यू सेड कि कुछ लोग ऐसा चाहते हैं कि थेरेपिस्ट मुझे सीधा बताए कि तुमने ये गलत किया, ये ठीक करो. सो आई माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू दिस ओनली, कि this is going to be a slightly longish question, so I'll give you context. Do you even think that there are inherent faults and problems with us as human beings? Matlab, when we enter a relationship, there are a lot of people who like certain things about us, don't like certain things about us. And when I say relationship, I am generally alluding to relationships, friendships, everything. Whenever we meet another human being, we are shown a mirror that these are the things that I like about you, these are the things that you should change. Some of those
Exactly.
people we are ready to travel that journey for, because we want to keep them in the longer run in our life. And some people we don't, because they are fake or we don't like hanging out with them. But the people who we want to stay with in the longer run, for them, I personally feel that yes, there are not issues but shortcomings and failings in us as human beings which we need to work on when we are with someone. But there is another narrative to this. In relationships, we've heard this a lot, that if someone wants to change you, you should leave that person because you should be liked for who you are personally. What do you think? Which gang do you belong to? Do you think we should work on ourselves, or do you think that नहीं, पहले सामने वाला मुझे वैसे ही एक्सेप्ट करे और फिर मैं देखूंगी if I have flaws or not, and inherently that I don't have flaws. What makes me me is what the other person is loving me for.
Uh, I I think कि अगर if you don't अगर तुमको खुद से I will answer the I think latter part of the question first कि अगर तुमको खुद से नहीं लगता है ऐसा कि this quality or this characteristic of mine is something that needs to go, तब तक I don't think कि it makes sense for you to do it. If that person, so I think my father has told me this, कि जब दो लोगों में bond हो जाता है ना एक, when there is love between two people or friendship between two people, तो फिर वो you come to a middle ground and you want to know कि मतलब you want to do things to make that work basically, right? So agar initially right off the bat if there is something that is not working for them, then maybe you should see whether you are compatible or not, because I don't understand, matlab जैसे I think तुमने पहला the first part of the question that I think you asked कि अगर तुमको ऐसा लगता है मतलब कि there are, what was your question again? Can you repeat?
Fallings for in your personality and someone points them out, will you correct them because you think you're a work in progress, or will you say कि नहीं यार ये इंसान तो मुझे for what I am, he's not loving me, she's not loving me, so why should I change myself, why should I like change my DNA for which they like me? And how much should you be willing to change yourself? Are you someone who is a work in progress, or are you a ready-made recipe that someone needs to cherish?
Definitely, I am a work in progress. I wouldn't ever, I think at any point in life, I wouldn't say कि because आज मुझे ये लगता है कि यार मुझे सब पता है, और अगले साल मैं जब याद करती हूँ कि मैं last year क्या थी, तो I realized कि यार there was so much that I have worked on and I have grown, right? So definitely I am with that team जो बोलती है भाई कि हम work in progress. So
okay, let me put it this way. अगर तुम्हें सामने वाला चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो इज देयर अ लिमिट टू दैट? मतलब तुम्हें डू यू ड्रॉ द लाइन समवेयर कि नहीं यार ये तो बहुत ज्यादा चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, आई डोंट थिंक दैट दिस इज द राइट अमाउंट, आई थिंक आई शुड स्टॉप बिकॉज दिस इज चेंज. या आई रिपीट, सो आई रिपीट, आई सेड तुम ड्रॉ द लाइन कब करोगे कि नहीं इतना तक ये इंसान मुझे चेंज कर सकता है, इसके बाद मैं चेंज नहीं होंगी बिकॉज दैट्स हु आई एम. वेयर डू यू ड्रॉ द लाइन एंड हाउ डू यू डिसाइड दैट?
I would see, I have been, I think, blessed with friends who have always been the mirror for me. So I would maybe I would consider talking to someone else also. Okay, do you think that this behavior of mine is something that irks you, or maybe something that I should let go, or maybe I would consider that also, because I do rely on some people in my life, some very special people, which is you, of course, जिनसे मैं ये पूछती हूँ कि भाई, like give me the reality check, so I depend on them for the reality check, and I think I would go to them and probably try to understand. But अगर जब तक मुझे खुद से नहीं लगता है कि, because see, I personally I'm that person के I'm very easy to reason with, is what I feel. So if we are having a discussion and if I feel like where you're coming from is reasonable, so I will definitely reflect upon myself and on my behaviors. But again, that being said, I wouldn't blindly do it. So I draw a line. इसका कोई concrete answer नहीं है मेरे पास. It depends on what I think.
Yeah. Depends on who is saying, when are they saying in the relationship, and do you think that it is justified or not?
Some people do bring out the worst in me, I've realized that. So I let them go very easily. That is something that I've learned.
I have also time traveled with this statement. I am in that zone where people are bringing out the worst in me, and then I'm deciding I don't want to live with this energy. And you know who I'm talking about. So we'll move on. Okay, so my next question is, why do you make friends? Why does Afsha make friends? Why are friends important for Afsha? What place do they hold in her life? Like, this is a very psychology question. Why do you make friends?
Uh, I I think I like the fact that uh, somebody, मतलब I think ये सवाल मैंने किसी के इन अ रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप वाले कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसका जवाब मैंने दिया था
आऊंगी, उस पे भी आऊंगी मैं।
सेम। हाँ, तुमको ही दिया है एक्चुअली शायद।
नहीं
तो
नहीं, मैं उस पे भी आऊंगी, उस क्वेश्चन पे भी आऊंगी कि व्हाई डू वी फॉल इन लव
ओके,
या वो सब।
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके।
हाँ।
I think it's the same for me. जो if you ask that question also, want a partner, I feel like we want our lives in a way to be noticed. कि
क्या
मतलब
तुम वो रील
एक
रेफर कर रही हो जो रील आती है हमारे इंस्टाग्राम पे, वी वांट अ विटनेस टू आवर लाइव्स।
exactly, we want a witness, and वो the level of interest that we both share in each other's personality, I think वो level सबके साथ नहीं attain हो पाता है, but still, people who I think because I am that person कि I will remember the time that I have spent with you for the rest of my life, no matter आप कहाँ पर हो अभी. So I think that is very you have that kind of connection with someone, that kind of bond with someone कि people recall, people remember you by something, या they recall किसी चीज से तुमको. I think that is very special for me because that is my love language. I think you are there in my memory, in my heart, even though we are miles apart, and you will always be there. And I think my friends know this, that I'm always like a call away if they ever need me. So
I
that
agree.
is yeah. So
Okay.
that is, I think,
Okay.
my friends इसीलिए और I think one more thing that you have made me realize is कि जैसे there is a friend of mine जिसके साथ में I talking about art, or there is a friend जिसके so you can't. I feel like it's a lot of burden on one person to fulfill all of those roles.
Yeah.
So I see friends to be a planet in my universe. कि मैं तुम्हारे साथ में I can't burden one person कि यार तुम मेरे साथ, because I am a person of many passions, many pursuits, right? मैं बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में सोचती हूँ. एक फ्रेंड है जिसके साथ मैं सिर्फ स्पेस के बारे में बात करती हूँ. So so I
अफशा
think
कितनी
that
चीजों के बारे में बात करती है, अफशा को क्या क्या पता है। So you said something when I was asking you the question about whether we should change ourselves or not, where you said that अगर मुझे लगेगा कि मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ तो मैं चेंज करूंगी, अगर सामने वाला बोलेगा बट इट नीड्स टू मेक सेंस फॉर मी कि हाँ यार ये चीज मुझे बदलनी चाहिए बिकॉज दिस इज arising a problem in my relationships and my friendships. So I think that points us back to the concept of self-love. I personally feel that self-love is something that has been advocated enough and more times on the internet कि करना चाहिए, बहुत important है। हर इंसान सोचता है यार पहले अपने आप को प्यार करो फिर तुम बाकी दुनिया को प्यार कर पाओगे, बट देयर इज अ शॉर्टकमिंग टू सेल्फ लव ऑल्सो. For example, if I love myself too much, I sometimes resurrect walls around me, and then someone who's trying to break into those walls, the lines kind of get blurred. कि यार अगर ये इंसान मुझे ये बदलने को बोल रहा है ना, तो that interferes with my definition of my self love and how much I love myself. So how much, in fact, should you love yourself, and what are the various things that you do in your life to? Do you think self love is important? How do you love yourself? How do you practice it?
I am realizing every day that self-love is being compassionate with myself first.
Yeah.
And embracing कि भाई this is, and I think अगर मैं self-love की पहले बात करूँ तो I think embracing the fact, see self-love को हम लोग थोड़ा मिस कर लेते हैं मुझे लगता है कभी-कभी, right? It is I think of course it is self-care, it is all of that, but first would definitely be embracing it, being offering yourself the compassion that you give to someone else. कि जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ कि तुम the trait that I have कि I make excuses for other people कि यार ये हो गया this way,
Hmm.
you know, this acted this way, behave this way. I feel like
Hmm.
that is something that you offer to yourself, and when that you're able to do uh, is when I think कि तुमको self love थोड़ा समझ आ रहा है अभी
Hmm.
कि तुम खुद के साथ में compassionate हो कि
Hmm.
it's okay अगर तुमने ये कर दिया है, it's okay, this is not something you can't fix. So that is currently my definition of self love. It may change over the years, you never know.
Hmm.
बहुत ही डायनामिक है मुझे लगता है ये कॉन्सेप्ट धीरे समझ में बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं सेल्फ इमेज से भी रिलेट करती हूँ मैं इस चीज को तो द बुक also which I have been talking to you about yeah so I think that would be my
Okay. I think at least I am at the end of all the questions that I had with you. I want to keep this series very short and sweet. If people request for a part two, we'll definitely come up with a part two. But what are your closing thoughts? And what do you want to say about anything? Do you want to talk about something that I didn't raise particularly?
no, you had I think you had certain questions you
हो
were
गए
going to
सारे.
raise about flags, red flags and
यार मुझे पता
war.
है जनरली तुम्हारा वो मतलब आई डिडंट थिंक इट डिजर्व दैट मच अटेंशन. आई नो योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑन दैट एंड these were certain questions that I definitely had with you.
Yeah, nice, short and sweet, I think.
Yeah, I would like to start it short and sweet and then जो भी ये देख रहा है जितने भी मेरे 100 200 300 होपफुली 10,000 लोग देखें और उसके बाद फिर मुझे बताएं कि नहीं अर्शी हमको ये टॉपिक चाहिए तुम्हारे पॉडकास्ट में से तो वो करेंगे. But yes,
Hopefully.